Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining us on News 8 at 5. I'm Brian Sterling.
And I'm Susan Shaw. First up at 5 o'clock, a new ruling by the Court of Claims means Michigan's law that makes abortion a felony cannot be enforced.
Political reporter Rick Albin in studio tonight to explain. Rick?
Sue and Brian, today's ruling has no immediate impact, but it could have a much larger implication if the Supreme Court overturns Roe versus Wade. A lawsuit by the ACLU and Planned Parenthood asked the courts to ban enforcement of Michigan's 1931 abortion law if Roe versus Wade is struck down. Attorney General Dana Nessel already said she would not enforce the law, but that would not have impacted other jurisdictions. So now this means that no matter what, no one can rely on the 1931 statute. A leaked draft opinion by the U.S. Supreme Court suggests the High Court is ready to reverse Roe. If that happens, and if Michigan's law to regulate abortion is unenforceable, then what are the rules or guidelines that would regulate the procedure in the state? We put that question to Cooley Law School professor Brendan Barry.
If Roe versus Wade is overturned and the 1931 law cannot be enforced, then Michigan returns to, well, I shouldn't say returns, to stays exactly where it is. But the governing law then becomes the Michigan Constitution, because Roe versus Wade is based on the federal Constitution. And so if that goes away, then it's going to be up to state courts in every state to decide whether their Constitution protects abortion, even though the federal Constitution doesn't.
Professor Barry says the Michigan Constitution has already been affirmed to include certain protections, but it would be up to the Supreme Court to make a ruling, just like he said in all the other 50 states, if Roe is overturned. He also said that new laws would have to be put in place in addition to some regulations that still exist here in Michigan. But with a Democratic governor and a Republican legislature in an election year, that seems unlikely at best. And here's another layer to the story. The Court of Claims says the judge on the Court of Claims who made this ruling did previously notify all parties involved that she donates to Planned Parenthood annually. Sue?